Hello again, grade 5s. Just going to do a really quick lesson here. Lesson 5 in your textbook on exploring volume. We're just going to introduce what volume is and what we're going to use it for. So volume is simply a measurement of the amount of space inside of a 3D object. We're going to move away from the flat 2D objects like the rectangles we've been drawing, and we're going to move into 3D shapes, so like rectangular prisms, like this shoebox here. So volume is a measurement of the amount of space inside something, like I said. Usually we're going to measure in centimeter cubed, but we're going to start a little more simple. So on page 136, we have a box of chalk here, and as an example, it has a volume of about 144 sticks of chalk. Okay, the units that I'm using for this example are sticks of chalk, not centimeters cubed. We're going to say about because it's an approximation. There's still open space in between those pieces of chalk, so it's not a perfect measurement of the volume of that box. Okay, the box of orange down here. Okay, it says the box holds 24 oranges, so therefore it has a volume of about 24 oranges. It's not perfect. There's open space, and it works for this example. This one down here, okay, has sugar cubes. So this box holds 80 sugar cubes. It has a volume of 80 sugar cubes. We are not using about for this one because the sugar cubes fill that box perfectly, or as close to perfect as possible. There's no open space. So with something like a sugar cube, you can say just a volume of such and such. Okay, with the oranges and the chalk, there's open space, so you cannot have a perfect measurement of volume. Okay, so that's all this is. We're just measuring the amount of space inside of a 3D object, and depending on what you're measuring with, you'll use about. Sometimes it'll be perfect. I'm going to do a couple practice questions with you just because this is so simple. So number 4 here, which item in each set would you use to best measure to get the best measure of the volume of a tissue box? Explain the choice. So A, would I use golf balls, acorns, or sugar cubes to get the best, most accurate measurement of a tissue box? Well, I'm going to say sugar cubes because they're cubes. Okay, they're going to fill that tissue box perfectly. Golf balls are round and they're going to leave a lot of open space. Acorns are sort of round, so they're going to leave a lot of open space, making it a not very accurate measurement of the inside. Lima beans, snap cubes, or yellow pattern blocks. Yellow pattern blocks are the hexagons. Well, I'm going to say snap cubes again because they're cubes. They are going to fill the space of a tissue box in the best possible way. Number 6 here is the only other one I want to take a peek at. What's the volume of each object? So I want the volume of this bag of bread. What's the unit I'm going to use? Pieces of bread. And the volume would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the volume of this bag is 12 pieces of bread. Is that a super accurate measurement? Not necessarily, but it works for right now. Okay, what's the volume of this pencil crayon box? Well, the volume is 24 pencil crayons. That's it. Okay, is it the best? No, it's not perfect, but it's going to be close enough. Okay, then we have my favorite example, a box of donuts. What's the volume of this box of donuts? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 donuts. So the volume of this box of donuts is 12 donuts. Okay, that's how many donuts you could fit inside that box. Okay, so that's where we're going to leave that one. Super simple. You'll get some practice questions to do to try. And then next lesson, we will do an accurate measure where we actually have to measure in centimeters cubed the volume of an object. See you next time.